Alright, time for another vlog video. I haven't done one of these in a while. Gonna make a trip to the Apple store. The brand new Apple MagSafe battery charger is here, the really cool one that goes on the back of the phone. So I'm gonna go pick that up, and we're gonna take the G ride here today and the Supra, and we're gonna go get it. So let's go. Alright, time to get in El Carro and go get the battery pack. Ugh. Let's do it. I need to clean the screen off. There we go. And since we want to get there quick, fast, and in a hurry, time for sport mode. Sweet. And this thing, it's cool. It's even got a heads-up display inside the Supra. If you've never seen one of those before, it tells you how fast you're going. I'm not going to record that while I'm driving because I don't want you to see, but I promise you I'm going to obey all posted speed limits. Maybe. Let's go. Alright, well I haven't had an opportunity to do this in a while, so let's go fast. That's a lot faster than the battery pack's going to charge. Alright, now we're here at the mall. So, we can go in and go get this battery pack. And my wife's with me, but her hair looks not so great today, so she's like, don't get me on the camera. So, there she is back there. Anyway, gotta take her off the camera now. So, does anyone need any fancy hair care products while I'm here at the mall? So nice to see you too. And, alright, so this right here, this is really cool. They have a Mandalorian t-shirt. I may have to pick one of those up. And all right, I guess this is a thing now. I don't know where I've been for the last year and a half, but I think I may want to go back. I'm not, no. And welcome to the mall. And I think we might have to stop here real quick. All this stuff looks so good. Every time I come here, I'm like, so coffee sounds good, but this stuff sounds good too. So I need to exercise more. Oh, this thing right here, that new chocolate croissant thing, absolutely delicious. So we went ahead and decided to get some coffee. I stopped recording because I didn't want the world to witness my incredibly not manly coffee order that I just made. I might show you what it is that I ordered here in a minute, but I'm totally not ordering that on video. So in the words of the famous David Kogan, the Unlocker, coffee? Check. So we're almost to the Apple store now after we stopped and got coffee, and I completely blew the window that I was supposed to be there. It shouldn't be too big of a problem because there's like absolutely nobody in line over here. Apparently people don't line up outside the store for battery pack day. So thankfully it's not a new phone, but let's go get this battery bank. And ta-da! We are here at the Apple store. So I'm about to go inside the Apple store right now, and I just want you to know that I'm going to go in there as I am now and come out a completely changed person with the new battery pack for the phone. Also, while I wait, this is the Tech Odyssey coffee. So it's a grande iced coffee. You get 3 pumps of classic syrup, 2 pumps caramel syrup, whole milk, and add whipped cream on top. Here's what you get. It's a bundle of deliciousness. And it's actually not crazy expensive either because the iced coffees are significantly cheaper than like the custom special coffees that they have. Anyway, that's it. Alright, so we made it out of there safe and sound. We didn't spend any extra money. But here we are with the battery pack. And yeah, the MagSafe iPhone battery pack. I'll take this out of the box here in a little bit once we get out in the car. But yeah, that's the end of our travels here in the mall. Let's get back out to the car. Yeah. Alright, so we were going to go out to the car, but I got sidetracked because my wife decided that she wants to look at things that are not Apple products. So I got to stop the video here, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to the sunshine. Anyway, so we made it out of the store alive, and we didn't spend $1 million. Only $100 on an incredibly overpriced battery pack. I mean, that is what it is. So, why not? I guess we can go ahead and do the unboxing before I head home. I mean, it's like I need to go all the way home and set up and like sit in my chair so I can show you what's inside the box. It has nothing in it, right? So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing here for the MagSafe iPhone battery pack. There's not going to be a whole lot in here. You can see on the back here it shows the little illustrations in case you don't know how to actually put the battery pack on your phone, but it connects magnetically onto the back of the iPhone. And of course, it wouldn't be an Apple product if it didn't have a nice pull tab to open it up. So it slides right out. I wonder if there's a sticker in there. So typical paper wrapping, and here we have the MagSafe battery pack. And I don't know how I feel about this. It's got the little MagSafe logo on the back here, so it's kind of got like this, almost like a rubberized material here. I guess kind of like silicone. And what it does here is, I guess it creates a little buffer. You'll put this and it'll attach onto the back of the phone, and then of course it wouldn't be an Apple product if it didn't have the Apple logo right there. So there's that. What else is in the box? We got this little thing, the typical insert, safety and handling, regulatory compliance, warranty summary. Should have a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Nothing about instructions, nothing about specs, nothing about how many milliamps or anything that's in here. So probably have to do some independent research on that. I know I mentioned earlier, I believe it's about 1500 milliamp whenever it comes to the actual battery, but there's not a whole lot in here, as you can see. And here we have the MagSafe battery pack, and I've got my wife's phone. Ta-da! Goes right on there. And then you can see on the bottom here, you can actually charge it with the lightning charging cable. So just like your phone, and this is one of the real benefits here you get over like the off-brand ones or the Anchor one that uses a USB-C. So you can plug and charge in both of these at the same time if you want to go that route, and then you can use the same cable to charge this one. And then there's a little charging indicator light there. There is no indicator on here to tell you how much battery life is left in it. It's not showing up on there. Maybe it's dead. Maybe I need to charge it. Let me see here. Is it actually charging? No, it's not even charging. So apparently this doesn't come charged in the box, which is kind of surprising. I would have thought that it would at least come charged. Well, that's lame. Anyway, so that's it for the unboxing. Alright, so that's all I've got on the unboxing in this vlog trip to the mall. I mean, to go take a look and get the MagSafe battery pack at the store. Super interesting. You can see there, it does add some significant heft. I mean, look, it is like basically, it's thicker than the iPhone. And the iPhone is not a thin or a light phone, so putting that on there, I mean, you can still hold on to it okay. I don't really have any problems because you're expecting it. I mean, it's not like, oh wow, we don't see this coming. The phone is big and we're adding this onto the back of it, but it's got a nice secure connection, I think. And then yeah, I'll have to charge this so I can do some testing to let you guys know how quickly it charges, more information on that. But this is the unboxing, I guess, the first impressions in this vlog style trip to go get the MagSafe battery pack. So that's all I've got. Thanks for coming with me. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down in the comments section. I will get back with you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, we'll do one more speed test for the road. This thing is supposed to do 0 to 60 in about 3.8 to 4 seconds. So I don't know if any of y'all want to get a stopwatch out or not, but we'll see how this goes as soon as I can make it out of here, because everybody's cutting across the intersection. No. All right. Well, I think that's enough. That's enough fast shenanigans for today, but it's definitely fun to put the pedal to the metal, as it were.